In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm trying to change my eating habits. I'm doing a healthier breakfast, so if you're interested to find out what I'm going to eat this morning, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie from CreativelyMsMe, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating on a budget a bit easier. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below, then a bell will appear. Click that bell twice, and you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now, today's video is all about a self-care. Now, I'm doing a self-care series, and I wanted to change my eating habits in the morning, eating more healthier foods. So I tried something new, and I'm liking it, so I want to share it with you guys, and you tell me what you think about what I'm eating. So leave me information down below in the comments. haven't gone already to check out CreativelyMsMe.com, go check out my blog. I have created forums to make planning easier for home organization and content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. And always continue to the end. There's always something new on the last slide. If you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.